One of the most intriguing theories regarding the Ark's final resting place is its possible connection to the King's Chamber in the Great Pyramid of Giza. Some researchers believe the granite sarcophagus inside the chamber may have housed the Ark. I will now show you my mathematical analysis to see whether the Ark in fact fits inside the container within the King's Chamber of the Great Pyramid. But first, let me explain what a cubit is, since this is the unit used when God instructed Moses to build the Ark. The cubit is an ancient unit of length based on the distance from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. It was primarily associated with the Sumerians, Egyptians, and Israelites. The term cubit is found in the Bible regarding Noah's Ark, the Ark of the Covenant, the Tabernacle, and Solomon's Temple. Cubits of various lengths were employed in many parts of the world in antiquity. You can see the variations in length for each cubit. I've chosen to use the shortest cubit in my calculations. Here we have the interior measurements of the container inside the King's Chamber of the Great Pyramid. I will test both Petrie's measurements and Piazzi-Smyth's measurements. Here we are converting the biblical dimensions of the Ark to inches, using the common cubit. After comparing the dimensions of the Ark of the Covenant to Petrie and Piazzi-Smyth's measurements, you can see the tolerances. There's plenty of space in the length tolerance. With the width, it's an extremely tight fit, but it would fit with minimal clearance. And there's more than enough clearance on the height. So overall, using the common cubit, the Ark would fit inside the sarcophagus, but the clearance is extremely tight, with less than 0.5 inches. Here's a graph of the results to help you visualize, and you can see just how tight the fit is on the width. The theory that the Ark of the Covenant may have been placed inside the sarcophagus in the King's Chamber of the Great Pyramid remains open to debate. Additionally, the historical timelines present challenges. The Great Pyramid was built during the 4th dynasty of Egypt, while the Ark was constructed in the 15th century BCE, according to biblical accounts. This significant gap raises questions about whether the Ark could have been placed inside the chamber at a later date, or if there was a possible connection between the Ark and earlier Egyptians. Thank you for joining me on this quest to uncover the mysteries of the Ark of the Covenant. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, pick up some merch, and turn on notifications for new videos.